Infrastructure is a sector that binds the nation together and ensures smooth functioning of the economy. In India, the infrastructure sector currently accounts for a substantial amount of India's industrial output. Not only does infrastructure act as a strong support for any business activity, it also provides the necessary impetus to economic activities. Tonight, Dun & Bradstreet and Axis Bank are proud to honor the names that have redefined the infrastructural landscape in India with the launch of 2012 edition of the Dun & Bradstreet Axis Bank Infra Awards. We are also happy to announce the release of the 5th edition of the publication titled India's Leading Infrastructure Companies 2012. Dun & Bradstreet is the world's leading source of global business information, knowledge and insight, and has been enabling companies to decide with confidence for over 170 years. The enormous data collected daily is transformed into decision-ready insight, thereby resulting in over 205 million business records in Dun & Bradstreet's global commercial database. Axis Bank is the third largest private sector bank in India and amongst the largest arrangers of infrastructure finance in the country. Axis Bank has supported development of key projects like the Mumbai International Airport, the Mumbai Metro, Dhamra Port Company, Oriental Etawah Chakeri Kanpur Highway, Ashoka Dhankuni Kharagpur Tollway Limited, and many more. Axis Bank is committed to the development of infrastructure in India. It is pleased to present Volume 5 of the Axis Infra Index, the only index of its kind in India. Tonight, we will announce awards in the following categories. Under the Project Award categories, we have Roads and Highways, Port Development, Power Plants, Industrial Plants, Urban Infrastructure, Industrial Parks or Special Economic Zones, Oil and Gas, and Irrigation. Under the Company Performance categories, we have Construction, Infrastructure Development, Power Generation, Power Transmission, Power Distribution, Telecommunication Infrastructure, and Ports. And since infrastructure activities, by and large, touch the lives of the entire nation, we will also announce awards under the following special categories: Public-Private Partnership Award, Social Community Impact Award, and Environmental Sustainability Award. Dun & Bradstreet and Axis Bank Infra Awards 2012 wishes all the nominees the very best.